morning and welcome back to Bee's Way. This morning I woke up feeling really good and I thought I would bring you along on my walk, just a little walk, because it's a beautiful day. The sun just makes you feel so good. So I just wanted to share a really good podcast that I've been listening to, which is called dun, 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 The School of Greatness. And I'd kind of listened to like an episode here and there, but my mum actually recommended it to me, and they recently did the 1000th episode and it was just so inspirational. And so they had this guy on it. I'll let you listen to it, I won't say so too much, but he basically talks about like visualization, and they do like a little mindfulness visualization session, and it was so amazing. And so yeah, basically this episode is so good because it teaches you how to visualize, and we are all about that over here, so like that one, so I reckon you would like it too. And basically I'm going to try listen to them each day, and so far I've done it for 3 days and it's put me in such a good mindset, because at the end of his podcast he's like, and you will achieve greatness, and it like just puts you in such a good mindset. That's the update on the podcast situation. What's up? We interrupt this vlog by Tim who've arrived and we are, well actually I stopped the vlog before because there was this random guy like just walking and I got all camera shy. I didn't want to. Are you camera shy when you're like? Because I was walking like this. Because you're like posting, you're posting to like how many YouTubers? I have big 3 subscribers. It went up 1 the other day. Did it? But yeah, there was a guy just up here and he was looking, and I was on my camera full on having like a conversation like this.
Yeah. Talking to yourself.
Oh no, it was up here actually. Yeah, I was talking to myself, so I just quickly popped the camera down. I was so embarrassed.
Oh yeah, I saw him up when I was driving.
Yeah. Do you know who it is?
No, I don't know.
Oh. But yes, so we are off to go get coffee in our matching caps. Woo! Cap moments. And I have an afternoon shift today. So I have to be there a bit early because someone wants to leave early. So I've only got like an hour. Yeah.
Not on an hour.
So yeah, see you later. Cheers. Oh, nothing like a coffee. Oh, hot chocolate.
Coffee.
You don't like caffeinated drinks, eh?
No, I just don't like coffee. I'm not a fan of coffee.
Yeah.
It took me 17 days to shake you, rearrange my mind, erase you. I waited, all my pride on the table. I was willing and able, willing and able. All of my patience has run dry, 'cause you've been wasting all my precious time. How do you look me in the eye when I already told you? Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke and we're still stuck on repeat, yeah. Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke, but we're still on repeat, yeah. I'm counting 17 reasons.
Did you want to read that?
No, I thought you might want to, so I slowed down.
I probably should, but I'll read it on the way back. Got anything to say to the camera? I don't particularly.
No.
Still stuck on repeat.
What's up there?
What?
It it gets higher all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right here.
oh my god, it's a crossroads. Oh, where do we go? To the past or to the future?
The past or the future? Do you want to go into 1983 or do you want to go to
1953.
1953?
Ooh, I think 80s. That way. Ooh.
I know where it goes.
All up to 1986. Okay.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, does it just loop it back into the same? Is that the same?
Yeah, it loops.
Wait, is that a different one?
It's the same.
Oh, it's the same. Okay.
Alright, turn your lights off.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
It's alright.
Oh, pretty. There's one up there.
Where?
Up there. Oh, you can't see where I'm pointing, but look up.
Oh, my eyes there are just. Okay. Oh, there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you can see them on here.
Can you?
Can you?
Oh yeah, I can see it. Is it just the one?
Oh no, you can't see it. Usually it was a lot more.
Do you think we need to go deeper in?
No, well, as deep as you can go.
Oh,
Head each of this off.
okay. Hello! Hello! Tim! Hello!
Woo! Oh, it's hard on your feet.
What's that?
I don't want to sprain my ankle.
Oh yeah, be careful. We can't have sprained ankles. People know.
Don't go too far. Oh, I've got no light.
Where are you?
I've got no light.
Does it actually make quite a bit of difference if I turn this off? Oh wow, I see what you mean. That's quite spooky. Okay. Oh, that was so fun. Come on, just...
I was just taking a video.
Oh, cool. I see the light. Ooh. Okay, don't run out. It's like a drop.
It always hurts your neck. On my
When
neck.
you're tall.
Tall person.
When you're...
You go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Sweet. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, before I get off. Oh my god, I'm getting off this. That's too scary. Okay. Okay, made it. Oh, there's another scary tunnel. I'm going into that dark tunnel now. It feels like the ground's moving.
Yeah. It's like coming off the airplane after 13 hours or something.
Or,
It's not moving.
you know, when you get off the treadmill.
Yeah, that's weird, eh?
Ooh, it's eerie in here. This is, you would not want to come in here alone, eh?
No.
Ooh, what's that?
Especially when there's been ghosts seen.
Okay. I can't see. Okay.
Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broken, we're still stuck on repeat. Yeah. Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broken, we're still on repeat. Yeah.
Which way? Left. Shall we go through?
Yeah, do it.
Oh, I don't think I can fit actually.
Oh, I fit.
Oh, alright, then I'm back.
So the record's been broken, we're still stuck on repeat. Yeah. Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke, but we're still on rip, we're still on rip, we're still on rip.
bye.